In this video, we will discuss about Ampere's circular law. According to this law, the line integral of a magnetic field around a closed loop is equal to the mu naught times the total current line threading this loop. So mathematically we will write it like this one. The line integral, so it is integral and it is line, that is dl, of a magnetic field around a closed loop. So line integral of a magnetic field around a closed loop is equal to the mu naught times the total current threading the loop. For example, I am having these current lines which are passing from the down to up. Now I made any closed loop, that is shown by this one line. Then I will calculate the product of B dot dl at each and every point. Then we observed that the B dot dl will always be equal to mu naught times how much current line which are cutting this loop. So I am having this as a loop and these current lines are cutting this loop. So this part is outside this loop, so it will not contribute. So the total current which is threading the loop is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So here this is your Ampere's circular law. Ampere's circular law is useful for symmetrical cases, so that we will discuss. So here the first of all we are going to use this Ampere's circular law to find out the magnetic field because of infinitely straight conductor. Here this is my infinitely straight conductor having a current I. Let P be the point at a perpendicular distance R from this current carrying wire. Now, according to the Ampere's law, the line integral of a magnetic field is equal to mu naught times the total current line threading the loop. So to apply the Ampere's law, I should choose a closed loop. So I will choose a symmetrical loop. I will choose a symmetrical circular loop around this wire where we want to calculate the B dot dl. So I will choose any small length of this part. So take this length as a dl. Now the magnetic field because of this infinitely straight conductor at this point is given by right hand thumb rule. That is, if thumb is in the direction of current, curling of finger give you the direction of magnetic field lines. Thumb is in direction of current, curling of finger give you direction of magnetic field lines. So direction of magnetic field line is along this direction. The direction of magnetic field is along this direction. This is the direction of magnetic field, and we know the length is also along this direction. So both are in same direction. So we can say that B dot dl is equal to B dl because cos 0 is 1. So if you put the value, so what we got? B dl is equal to mu naught into I. So here, since this loop is symmetrical, as it is equidistant from this wire, so the magnetic field at each and every point of this length will be same. So I will take it outside integral. So B close integral dl is equal to mu naught into I. So here what is this? Total integral means total, dl means length. Total length around a closed loop. So what is the total length of this closed loop? That is nothing but it is a circumference, that is 2 pi r. So it becomes B into 2 pi r is equal to mu naught into I. So from here you can see that the magnetic field because of this infinitely straight conductor is equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi small r. So this is your magnetic field because of the infinitely straight conductor. So from here you can see that the magnetic field is inversely proportional to the distance. And if you draw the magnetic field lines for the case of infinitely straight conductor, then it will look like this one. And it will be like this one. If thumb is the direction of current, curling of finger give you the direction of magnetic field lines. Current, curling of finger give you direction of magnetic field lines. So these are the direction of magnetic field lines. Let us do this example. Suppose I am having 3 current lines which are passing along these directions, and I want to find out the line integral of a magnetic field around this closed loop. So this is our closed loop. Then what should be the value of this one? So if I use the Ampere's law, the line integral of a magnetic field is nothing but it is mu naught the total current line which are threading the loop. तो इफेक्टिव वैल्यू विच आर थ्रेडिंग दिस लूप, सो इस लूप के अंदर कौन सी करंट लाइन जो इसको काट रही हैं. सो ओनली देयर आर 2 करंट लाइन्स, दैट इज 6i and this is your 3i. So if you find the resultant, 6i is upward and minus 3i is downward. So total will be equal to 3i. So here the value of this I will be equal to 3 times I. So this is your line integral of a magnetic field. Thanking you.